Joe Beermaster. We have a '05 Dodge Ram 1500 that has a headlight that is out. On this side, I'm going to show you how to change it. This goes for multiple years. So on the dash, there's an indicator light that says that a light is out. So we checked all the lights, and this one is out. So the way to get to that is you do not have to take the assembly out. You can reach behind here to access the bulb. Now on the other side, you have a lot of things in the way that you're going to have to disconnect to get to it. But once you disconnect them, you can get to it, or you can go through to take the fender liner out, which is this piece in here, the shield on the other side. But for this side, you're going to reach down in there. We're going to try to get some video in here. And you can see the bulbs in there. I'm putting the camera down in there. Right there. You want to spin that little gray ring off, and then pull it out and then disconnect it from there. So we're going to do that. I'm going to reach in. I'm going to try to film it. Turn it to the left. Try to worm that bulb out of there. Once that ring is loose, then you pull it straight out. Alright, so we pulled it out. We turned this ring, pulled the socket out, but the bulb wouldn't come out because it was up against the inner fender, so we disconnected it underneath, and the bulb separated, and then we were able to wiggle the bulb out. Sometimes you stick in the headlight assembly pretty good, so you got to wiggle them, and then we're going to put it back the same way. We're going to get the new bulb, connect it, slide it back in, and then spin this on. So everything fits a certain way. You got to work it. It might take a couple minutes. Alright, so I just want to let you know this is very tedious to do. You got to get the bulb in first, then you got to get the ring on it, and sometimes it's very tedious and you have to fit it a couple times, but to reach back in there and get it, you will get it eventually. You got to get the light bulb to sit flush in the back of that, and put the ring on, then plug the wire in. Might take a couple tries, but you'll get it. Joe Beermaster. Hope this helped. It was a good guide. If you can access it without taking the assembly out, you're better off. Thanks for watching.
Joe Beerman, you saved my life today.
Thanks for watching.